Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to fix the aircon on this Audi A4. The aircon is working but not blowing cool air, so every time I put the aircon on, only the hot air is coming, even if I put it at minimum temperature, which is 16 degree, still it's blowing the hot air. I went to a mechanic and he did a computer check on this car. The report of the computer scan says the aircon sensor is faulty, so we need to replace the aircon sensor to check whether that's a problem or is there any other problem. So let's turn off the car and do the actual work which we need to do today. The aircon pressure sensor is under the bonnet behind this front grille. So first thing is we need to open the bonnet, then we need to remove this top plastic plate attached to the front grille. So it has few plastic screws which we need to remove first. So we can remove the plate and we can assess the sensor. So let's do it. So here is the part which we need to replace, the compressor sensor for the aircon. It's attached to the compressor. It gives signal to the compressor when we turn the aircon on. So when it's faulty, there is no signal to the compressor and it won't turn on. I already ordered the sensor a few days ago, which just arrived today. So this is the one which we need to replace. This original part from the Audi dealership cost like $250, but I bought it online from a German website, so it's very cheap compared to the dealership price. So let's open this one and I will show you the model number for this too, if you having a same problem in your car and want to order one. So now as I replace the old sensor with the new one, let's try putting the aircon on. Just putting the fan on the high level, changing the settings, and wow, the cool air is coming now. It means the sensor problem is fixed and now the aircon is running nicely as it's need to be. I'll also go out to check the compressor that it's working fine, because now you can hear the sound of the compressor. So let's put the cover back on, and that was all for today. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you find it useful and having a same problem, you can easily fix this. See you in some other video. Bye bye, take care.